Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation. Here again is another comedy video. I tell you now, if you they play with comedy video, make una no play with my own, because my own comedy compilation now well arranged. I think carry 50 videos. At the end of the day, I'll upload or I'll compile 20, just because I want you guys to start with laughter, end with laughter, you know. So that is what I do. My comedy is actually back to back hilarious. Honestly, alright, without saying much, let's dive into this comedy compilation. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Let's go.
Oh, please.
Voila.
Afternoon, how are you?
Okay, I see this your notice where you put say they find POS there. I can't apply.
Okay, they find POS work.
Yes, sir.
You just say if you do the work.
Why? Never shall I.
Yeah, no wahala. I never see person stay.
Okay.
The pay is impressive. I go they pay you 200,000 naira every month.
200,000 naira.
Exactly you.
Che, okay, help my life. I'm gonna do this work. I'm gonna do it before 10.
I go pay you when I not do.
Tell me.
Calm down. Not be that one. And that thing be say you go sabi how to cook.
Eh?
What you
You
concern?
must be a good cook. And two, you must be good in bed.
Now, what level now? I shall work.
Okay, how did you get the last 2 P? Chirikwaki said, are you okay? Eh? I tell you, sir, they can't find POS work. They tell me, say, if I'm good in bed. Eh? Can you imagine? If the money wife, they're hungry, you know, go village, go find wife.
I go pay you 200,000 naira every month for POS. Your man not telling a wife at the fine.
Too easy.
This time around.
No, man, join you chop now. Try to make you join me chop. One of my morning, afternoon, and evening food. Even tomorrow won't day here. Go inside me, go drink garden.
One man became.
Hey!
What's going on here?
Debt menu.
Bro, wait a beg. You go help me with 20K. I did a very serious problem, I beg. Get money. And make it like this.
Some friends, there is no way they will ever help you. Wicked generation.
I didn't come and my babe.
Babe, is your friend not going with us? No, nah, she come with us. Bran, together.
Like he was preparing before. Like,
I will not kill myself.
Babe, is your friend not eating?
Don't worry, I'm okay with this. Okay, man. Just like this one. Sir, your big. 1.5 million for 2 plates.
how come?
And your friend order more food, sir. Friend.
Must there be a dummy to replace human being?
The rest now.
Sir, please pay your bill. Just 1.5 million, sir.
Not be 1.5 million again. Now 9 million now. The brother said me could close the kitchen. He buy everything.
The brother. You are the evil, yeah. Despite the fact that your friend refused to help you.
What do you want buy?
Now bed you want buy.
Oga no wahala. Bed now just 16.8.
Kata Fianis.
Oga no boy dey force you to buy bed. If you don't want buy, they go. Idiot.
50% million naira for bed. Bed in the fry. Bed go help me fuck my bed.
Idiot.
Okay, I want bed.
Let make you feel one coat. Also, you know the bed now 15.8.
I don't understand. Now today we dey buy am. Give me.
Oga no
Get money.
If you go use one of the bed now.
4.
How person go back pay them 15.5 million naira? What did you pay? They do it. You go tell me.
No, so you don't know to anybody will buy bed from my hand. They get free beds.
I will buy 10. I swear I'm going to buy 10.
Okay, I don't know. They want buy 2.
They not call you and me, you not buy.
Send the account.
You how would they do account? Come on, send that to my Bitcoin wallet. Man, say that with snappy and based on saying that then they very snappy pass.
Send.
Sharp.
Don't finish with that customer. Okay, now only those girls who are going to the interview now ain't they available.
Okay, that one.
No wahala. Sweet Stella.
Natural daddy, you called. I'm here.
Chineke.
Not be juju be that.
But I refund me my money. I beg. I don't want to buy again.
Refund? Sister, we already they do our work.
You say?
Get me the lube. I need some anaconda action.
No problem. You can use the granola here.
Wait, Mozkoh if you bend down to talk. These people are crazy, honestly. But it's a nice one from you.
Mama, forget to sabi cook.
It was blaq. Let's see how it goes.
Mama, our food too good.
I swear, try. I miss good food, though. Just dey remind me when I see that alive.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
You say what?
Yes, so for that side, they know they give us food. Now only ekpan cook for money. Ekpan cook for I don't tired to the chop ekpan cook. My brother pray me no die.
Who be your brother? The wine?
Why not they do that? I never see dead body before. Jesus. My brother.
Yes.
Which unit for the land of the dead? Where you did?
The blood of Jesus.
Download Crity app. It will help you get more influence.
It's a fake spirit.
Yes, also they
a
go
fake
live.
one, like the original one is
here
yet to I'm getting.
Crity app now,
I'm
Baba.
gonna see
I dey ask you question, and they talk another thing.
Okay.
Say you are a spirit from another world. Where are you running to now?
Jesus. Thank God, though. As I don't still pay, life is still simple. Jesus! Go pay that woman her money.
It could be that guy is the woman's son, protecting the woman's business for her. And you want to come and eat.
Hello? Yes, I'm outside. You can come outside now. Alright.
Are you serious?
Hey! I beg go.
Hello.
Hi.
He's cute, You're smelling man.
What is this?
What are you looking now?
What kind of combination is this?
You don't like it? It's a gentleman stuff. Yeah. I got something for you.
What is this?
Take it.
Go.
Yeah.
Who opened it?
I did. I just take small from inside.
You did what?
I still make a brush up.
Are you stupid or something? Are you mad?
You?
Come on, will you collect this thing from my hand? What do you mean you brush up?
I'm sorry, baby.
I've told you to never call me baby again. 1 week of talking stage and you're calling me baby.
Yeah.
What?
Calm down now. I'm just practicing because I know very soon you will say yes to my proposal.
This one you came to see me today. Hope all is well.
No, everything is fine. It's been a while since, so I said let me just come and pay you. Let me check on you.
Thank you.
I hope everything is fine. You're okay, right?
It's just that I've not eaten this morning.
Not then.
Come buy food.
Not then. Wrong.
What's my offense?
I don't understand.
Why are you sending me away?
I'm not sending you.
No, you're sending me away so soon. Just 1 week of talking stage and you're sending me away. Why? What did I do to you?
How do you mean I'm sending you away?
What's my crime? This is so bad.
Maybe they want this one. Who will be this one?
I love what
I
you
leave it
do.
because of food.
I love what you do.
Which kind of talking stage?
You never see anything.
So you're leaving because of food?
Neighbor, I just hear your boss when I since. Now sending me away. Who will they send away?
Neighbor, not be this guy. We don't dare talking stage for like 1 week now. I say one come see me today. I say come. Then I say I dey hungry, maybe buy me food. I saw you talk say I dey chase am away. I don't understand.
I'm very bad of him. He's not a real man. A real man should treat a lady right. Don't settle for less. Don't try it.
I know there are real men out there. But neighbor, this way they reason like this. If I say you follow with the real man.
Yes, now you know, see, we're not really many like that. And you say, now real men, you define, I mean, I will go buy you food.
No, never. Hey, neighbor, you dey come out?
Yeah, I want to get something for front.
Oh, thank God. Neighbor, if you dey come back, buy food for me now.
And she wanted to play, I think so.
Neighbor! Where's my transfer for you now?
We're not really telling you for yeah? Hey, for not talk since now. You scared me. You chased me away. 081. You go cry, don't worry.
The girl I've seen a lot. You have the money and you're telling us if you don't want to send the money. Let's see crazy clown on this one. It's very hilarious. Let's go. The stomach is upset, man. Take it far away, man. Go far away. Far away.
Bobby, have fun now.
Yeah! Bobby!
happened now? Bobby, you doing alright? Bobby, what did happen? Which kind of mess follow you come?
Every night in my dreams, I see you.
Who are you? Who are me, Asasa? I'm your mess now. So why you follow me? What you follow you? Out of you I came and you I shall follow.
When my child feels like you could mess for outside. Guy, if you mess, also you mess on the top of my head, you cannot be this. Now your papa mess. Yeah, your mama mess.
Must the mess be colored with green? Must the mess be colored with green? What are these people trying to act like? The Nigeria get mess.
No matter where you go, make you not forget.
Because it's obvious that the mess is colored with green and the pampers represent white. May God have mercy.
Madam, bring my number.
Why is your face like this?
Bro, my ticket's caught. Add extra momo. No, add fish.
Oh my, you're the red, I have the feel weak.
Wherever you are, I believe.
As I get money for my pocket, balance it. I go just sell it to the place. Balance it.
Che, ta. This one to chop, oegbe. Oúnjẹ jẹkújẹ, gbogbo ti go. And now you are so.
I'm a war.
He's so oil.
I'm in Aboki.
This one can't grab his cover. The mess is like a living bell.
The work is done. I won. I'm gonna enjoy it.
Again? And the most funniest part of it is that the mess will not do him anything. Do him no harm. Like,
I know as
gosh. As grab as that mess or that is.
If you place bet on PSG matches, you can win.
It could not harm the owner. You know, say come up with body.
Dr. Craze.
The mess represents that guy, honestly. So we're expecting to see the next banger. Please, and if you're enjoying this comedy, can you like this video? We actually, you know, gonna appreciate you if you like this video, and also share it. Let's go.
I'm done cooking. Go and wash the plate. I'm tired. I want to rest. I've been working since morning. I want to paint and rest. I'm stressed out. Go and wash the plate. So if you want us to eat.
You did threaten me.
Oyoko.
So I'm talking to you. You're keeping me quiet like a mad woman. No, now I'm a mad woman.
Oh, I know.
Go and watch the plate. You're sitting. You're still watching the television. I've been working since morning. I've not rested. All my body, they are paining me. I just want to bathe and rest. Go and watch the plate. I don't want to come out here again.
They play, they show, now every day do.
That when you're talking to your husband, but I solo, have mercy, forgive her, you know, not everything you talk. But I hope you.
They send you.
What is this thing?
Just play.
What does she have to say now?
Please not. See my hands. My hands are paining me. See my legs. My body's paining me. I'm tired.
Come on, Baro.
Please let me wash the dishes now.
I just want things to
This couple, I don't know why they are behaving like me. I think someone was there now.
I thought you were Major General, baby.
No.
You were doing gaga.
I'm not so. I just wanted to test more power.
You wanted to test power?
I'm not testing again. I'm humble now.
You don't get high fever, I think.
it's fine. Meanwhile, I'm sorry. I'm sorry the way I kept you quiet. If you had talked like this, it would have been better. That other approach is a red flag. This one is better. Don't worry. I'll go and rest. I will wash the dishes, clean the kitchen and the whole house. I'll go and rest. Yes.
Thank you, babe.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Just go and rest.
How's Solo going to do this?
I'm going inside now. I want to bathe and rest. When you are done, you come, let's do one.
Wait, is he rushing to do one or he wanted to rush the girl with slap? I don't understand. Let me know, guys. Voila. Oh. Let's see this one from Boy. I think this one is crazily mad. Single life. Okay. Let's see how it goes with
every
single
time
life.
I just keep on ordering food.
Sitting down here for long.
I just did chop anyhow food. She be to say I get my own woman now. She go to cook for me. Hey, which can life be this?
If I speak English, are you guys having fun?
I'm coming, guys.
Which kind of life are they live like this? I just they carry different girls every day. I just they risk my life. More.
Yeah, let's have fun.
This boy don't sing with you. Gabriel, we'll give her perfect woman. Like, waiting will fit and she gets.
Don't be lying.
Shall go invoke spirit. Perfect woman.
Oh, yes, daddy.
Yes, send again. Go send again.
Okay.
Yeah, first. Perfect woman, remember.
Oh, for when God can't see him, the heart pure, they can't give a perfect woman.
So this is love.
Very tough for that angel.
Baby, I'm going to play football with my friends.
Make sure you score 3 goals for me.
If you don't trust me, sit down. I go turn up. Okay now.
Wait, have you taken your ultimate fuel for energy, endurance, and excellence before going to play football?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Babe, football is a game of strategy, endurance, and performance. Every player needs strength to last 90 minutes on the pitch. And that's why whenever you're going to play football, you need the ultimate fuel for champions.
Really?
Yes. So Big Blue Rice is a nourishing non-sticky rice ready to deliver a great tasting experience. And this Big Blue Rice is a meal for champion. And great players like you need great food and great meal. And great meal starts with Big Blue Rice. So my dear, just relax. Let me make something for you before you go play your football.
That's the baby girl. You see, I love you so much. You're just so perfect for me. You know what? I will wait while you prepare the big rice so I can get the ultimate foil for champions.
Oh, that's my man.
I thank God for bringing you my way.
You know, go thank me again. Oh, Bob, belongs to you, daddy. Give go appreciate it.
This girl fine though.
Hey! Boy, your perfect man. Perfect woman will God give you. All the perfect.
Can you imagine this boy? So wait, after I take my time, finish my perfect woman, instead do this rubbish.
This gender. Later they go say that devil work.
And devil not there yet.
Yes, now that message her, I just pray she replies me.
Jesus! My papa there here. So you get mad after I give you red gem. You know what it means to find perfect woman? What do you men want? I give them everything, I give them perfect woman. What do you want again? Okay, now this phone I they make it a misbehave. Gabriel, obtain this phone.
No, so you give me that phone.
Gabriel.
So Jesus came with Gabriel. This is actually a case of taking it by force. If actually God operate like this, it's going to be very deadly for human because we are not perfect.
Kids, they catch all of us on village. You get my own generator. Oh, well, I go cook on today. All your generator will blow.
Village people are jealous.
Jesus, you love me
God, you don't collect everything belongs to Caesar. Leave this boy for me now. Let me feed it.
They love the pot.
Hey, what?
Jesus! 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 Idiot! You get money, buy motor. After testing me, tell me for village, you get motor. Eh? Buy walking stick, straight like me.
But oh my God, I don't have anything to say concerning that. But people are wicked, so you just have to be spiritually strong. You know, spiritually strong. Not by physical muscle, spiritually strong. This one is from Agent of Laughter, and I think this one and Ghost are 5 and 6. So we are not surprised. We already know what we're expecting to see in this river. Honestly, like guys, I know you. I believe you know why I silence this background noise, because of copyright claim. Honestly, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Ogban gentuu, which is a wizard too, fighting for only one man, and the man had to run because he's a mortal. They both fighting are immortals. Ha, shata la bosha. Why are you always being chased by ghosts? What is this? Like, what is spirit? How, if I can, I wish I can have the opportunity to interview you. I wish I.
No fine, now you did.
Waiting.
That my ex will tell you about that.
And that your ex be that? That guy? I dey come.
Babe.
Wait. I greet you, bros. Well done. I bet no verse. You know that girl.
Now my ex be that now. What happen?
Now your ex?
Yes.
Now me be a new boyfriend.
Wow, congratulations.
Wow.
This one no be congratulations matter. Bros, why?
Why waiting?
Why you go raise a standard like that if you know say you no go marry her? She tell me say you dey give her 500k every month. That time when I dey date.
Now my babe now, I got spend on them now.
Yeah, you say make her for start from now. And you want me she take value my own 10k?
That one concern you know, what to concern me now? If you not fit data, you leave her for who fit data now.
Half our blood. No, they move now. I greet you, boss.
I greet you.
I bet me come out the thing when they your eye.
So today, man.
Yes, that the thing when they your eye. When you no make you see that they follow your guy, they talk. You they crazy, who goes you? Jesus, Mozkoh. Where did they do? See this small picture. Wait. Oh, Jala, go now.
Don't tell me you want
to road. Let me follow that motor. Follow on, bro. Okay, wait till they come and carry me. See, you offer us work.
Are you the one now to be the back man? And the back owner actually allowed?
Mozkoh!
Like it will chase them to their house. And what? Mozkoh.
So come on, what happened? Oh, look, Papa, you can have this. Although, Papa, you might be wondering why I gave you this key. You know you have been a very good friend to me. In fact, you supported me throughout my stay in Lagos. Even last year when I called you that my business was crumbling, you gave me some money after telling me the money was meant for your house rent. Today, I'm doing well in business and in politics, and I seemed it fit to reward my bosom friend with this property. Although, Papa, this land and the house and the decorations in it is yours.
Wow.
And the entire document of the house is in the sitting room. You can move in. Move in now. Let's go to that place.
Congratulations!
Capacity leader.
Is this for real? Like,
Why you do like this? Come up from my house. Give me small time. I'll go pay your money. Even if now 1 month, give me. Even one time, I know they give you. If they owe me for 3 years, you know if you pay your rent. Now one time I go give you. Oh, Jesus. I want to sell my house. Come up for ya. Landlord, it was the house where they live. I go sell house where they live now. That's where you live.
Can I know my friend?
Are you living? Jesus Christ. Leave my house. Come on, leave my house. Okay, I make I just call my things. Get anything here. You came empty here. You're going. Now, bro. So shall you be.
Are you deporting me?
Come on, my friend. Okay, Lord, give me small time now. The man, the big man, the wicked. As my landlord get mine, no fee allow me get 1 month to find money paying rent. Anybody will inside the house. As soon as the person moves into the house, 3 hours, the person will die, will die, will die.
Blue.
If you give blood fish, they give you money. What's in the call that one? As if I now give them blood.
I hope you get what I'm saying.
Now blood money.
How are you going to do that? But there's a way to do it. You go and neutralize it since you're the one who actually planted
that. Why they cry now?
As I talk to you since yesterday, I never chop. Oh.
You never chop?
I never chop.
Chai, I forgive you food though. But this one they sell them.
Aluka continue.
Yeah, no they cry, no they don't cry.
Make I don't cry. Why don't cry? Why don't cry when now only 500? See that now only 500 I get to go back now, bro.
Okay.
Now only 500. If I see where I go buy poison now with this 500, I go buy a drink.
Poison?
I go buy a
woman. And they say poison now.
They say poison. They say poison. How much?
And they said 200 naira. One time.
One time. Oh, yeah, give me change.
They find change. They say one time they find change.
Give me change. I don't go chop before I drink them.
You no need to chop drink this one.
Madam, give me my change.
So that this is the man I've been telling you about that wants to get married.
If you drink it, my friend.
Young man, you're welcome.
Yeah, good day, sir.
Okay.
So I am the one that want to get married to your daughter.
If I actually comprehended your little tittle tattle and infinitesimal loquacious jibba jabba, is that you actually propelled to my edifice to conjugate, amalgamate, and have a marital covalent bond with my beautiful lassie. As you can see, judging from physiognomy and physog, since you peregrinated to this edifice, you can deduce that this is a venerate, revered family, and we don't like to have a nexus with some otios, lethargic, dirty, batty, and cocoa muchachos. Why are you here alone? You're supposed to come with your family members.
They are very far.
They are where?
What?
Far away.
Yes.
It's alright. That notwithstanding. Before we proceed, I would like to know your pregnomen, cognomens, and rubric.
I don't understand.
Is this the kind of nitwit, dum-dum, and otiose nincompoop that you brought to come and amalgamate with you? Somebody that cannot even comprehend my verbosity.
God have mercy upon us.
Young man, what's your name?
Chief.
I understand. Anybody that looks at you will know you are a chief. Chief what?
Just chief.
Just chief. Are you sure this is not a lupin, loony, coco, loco, gaga, homo sapien? Is it normal?
That is perfectly normal. Very okay.
But
you like
behaving
it.
as if it's not normal. The guy don't seems normal.
Oh no, just wait. Small time. I could finish. No, just wait. Small time.
What's going on here?
I was eavesdropping on your tete-a-tete.
Okay.
I thought you were having a conversation or a confabulation with somebody. But you're not holding any phone or any Bluetooth headset. Who are you conversing with?
I'm talking to my people.
Oh, your people. Okay, that notwithstanding, I would like to know the cosmopolitan metropolis or the terminus aqua that you currently emanated from.
I don't understand, sir.
Where are you from?
Okay.
That side.
Which side?
That side.
It's all right. No problem. I don't want my BP to escalate. Like I said, I don't want an indolent, otious, and languorous Homo sapien to come and conjugate with my daughter that has spent a lot of spondylitis and wonder on till she got to this age. So I want to know what you do for a living. If you will be capable to take care of her.
Okay.
Are you a doctor?
No.
Lawyer?
No.
Engineer?
No.
So what do you do for a living?
Nothing.
Nothing? What's the meaning of this now? So you brought this idiot to come and embarrass me. A nincompoop and a nitwit. He does not know where he's from. He does not have a name. What kind of name is Steve? From the moment this idiot walked in there, my friend, come and get out of my house.
Jesus.
God of Nazareth.
My in-law. Tell this from me.
You joking?
From the moment you walked in here, I knew you were going to be my in-law. Such a gentle and intelligent Homo sapien.
Money.
You made the wise decision and a wise choice.
Where this one come from? More steady.
Oh, there's more from where this one came from. I will show you that there is more from where this one came from. Chiamaka. Come. This one is my last daughter. Due to how you have just discombobulated everything, I'm giving you this one as an addendum. You are taking the two of them.
Sir, I don't really have time again. So I want everything to be finalized now. Okay. So what I want is for you to join me and your daughter as a husband and wife and hand her over to me as my wife. Now.
No. That's not a problem. Chief. From today onward, this is your wife.
Very good.
And you, this is your husband. Officially. Oh yeah, go. And you too, the companion. Go.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate for the successful marriage. I want to take my leave now. Thank you.
Okay.
Jesus.
Where did they go to?
Jesus.
At least the money is here. Hey! The money disappeared too. Hey! The money is gone. My daughters are gone. Gaga to one gaga.
I got the advice.
I don't know if I should start laughing and just start crying for him. Upon all the red flags the man was
Bless God, one pony is my customer.
This man was worried. Try.
Are you the Uber driver?
Yes, I'm the Uber driver.
I'm so sorry for keeping you
Aboki
waiting.
guy.
Madam, I didn't do for this place. I don't wait for like 1 hour plus. If you say I want Odoguna, I couldn't promote it.
Jesus.
I'm so sorry. I was looking for my handbid. I'm so sorry.
You are looking for your handbid. Madam, because of saying you, because of your beauty and caliber. Madam, when you say they go against self.
I'm going to VGC.
You are going to BGC?
Yeah.
BGC. That's my area, you know.
Like seriously?
If you are going to BGC, I'm going to take you for free.
Like seriously?
And then said.
Hello, babe.
Babe.
Is this the Uber driver?
Yes, he is. And he promised to give us a free ride any day, anytime.
Wow, thank you very much, sir.
We just pray.
You will say God won't punish on a two. Men looking at you, God won't punish on a two.
Free ride.
I promise to give you free ride. Do not tell me say you will come. Why am childbirth? Not go walk, you go cry. God punish love.
But normally, if you really love the girl, like her, you will help her, and a man doesn't make any meaning, doesn't mean anything, I swear. But for you to leave them like that, meaning you have eyes on that girl. Correct Aboki really get eye for that girl.
You must give me my money. I don't want no as one take gram. Why you go say fake goat for me? Why you go say fake goat? I don't know. Okay, you go give me. You go give me my money today.
Now because you woman, I go nod you.
Not me.
Now wetin happen?
Now this foolish man, oh, this stupid man. I give him 1 million naira, make he buy me gold. You can imagine. This man buy me fake gold.
Hey, madam, you remember about Jagood and Brothers? They are the best. They sell all kind of jewelries. Jagood and Brothers, as he sell like this, they sell gold. Anyway, you won't come meet them. They will come meet you there. They will deliver away.
And Jacob and brothers, their rates not too high.
You, now me and you today. You must give me my money.
No, madam, leave her with Peter.
Thank God. Brother, thank you. Now, man like you, I ain't gonna teach you lesson today.
Namoto. Hey! Sounds even better. Very good.
Okay.
Very, very good.
Madam, calm down. My experience.
You want to beat somebody and you're coming like this? Are you a bike man?
Jesus!
Jesus! One blow actually bite him. Just one blow fire.
Years of madness.
You won't mind your business.
I'll call you back. I'll call you back. My brother, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
20 years in marriage, eh? Wow. Come to think of it. Did you manage to be in a marriage for 20 years? What is your secret?
My brother, it's just simple. Transparency.
Transparency.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be transparent with your wife. You don't hide anything. Your phone password is a password. You tell her everything. Okay. Your bank code, everything. So she know if you're going out. Just tell her, baby, I'm going here. You don't have to hide anything. Okay. That's it. You can do it, my brother.
Oh yeah, I can. Oh no, you can. Look, the password is changed. This is my bank card. Eh?
Do you have something to hide?
No, I don't have anything to hide.
Yeah.
And this is my bank. Eh? It's 1020.
Let me see. I want to talk to you. Yes. Okay. Yes. Take. You see, she knows my password. Let's go. You know, before you do this, there's something I need to tell you. Okay. You need 2 phones.
Okay.
2 phones. Just need 2 phones. Calm down. You see the one I gave her? There's nothing on it. She's not going to suspect anything. But for the other one, this is where the secret and the things are.
Wait. You mean you have 2 phones?
Yes.
The other one you gave her, there's nothing on it. But this one there.
Yes. So this one is where I have my secret. I'm not foolish.
Yeah. Where's my wife?
She was here just now.
My brother, I think you need to go and look for your wife. Yes, it's not my fault.
It's not your fault.
Babe, what be your problem now? Why you want to put her down for this relationship?
Which relationship? You know they give head.
Jesus.
See, I don't feel you're dey loyal to man. We know they go down there.
Go down. When Benin boy they give you head. No, say they forbid them for Benin.
See, I don't tell you what I want to tell you finish. If you want me this relationship get head, you must they give me head. It is head or nothing.
Hey. You this girl. You get my do. You dey tell Benin boy make it give you head. First off for that matter. You know I say this way they talk so they feel remove your head. Even a shy poppy get fame rich. Head a beard is not reaching hand. Now handshake he receive. I'm away you. Local champion. They find head. Head my foot.
I beg, Oga, if you're not ready to give me head, call me.
Then whine yourself. The only call where you go receive a call to glory.
So quick, no be say you sabi jeb. You go the carry person G-Wagon say you want 20.
G-Wagon.
They use G-Wagon straight out. Don't go Nathan every pregnant. They ask how many are you? Oga, the only one no, the other person don't know.
This hand bag I live there. Wow, very great one from this man here. What is his name? Little SMS. Where did they go down? If you know, you know. If you don't know, go like that. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for watching this comedy video, and it's very hilarious. I know you enjoyed it, and I think we're actually going to make our comedy short Yes, we're going to like posting comedy from like between 25 to 30 minutes, no more long comedy, in order for us to be posting frequently. Yes, in order for us to be posting frequently, like daily, because there's a lot of stress reacting to a very long compilation video. Even 40 to 1 hour minutes video is actually not easy. It's not easy, I swear. So I think you understand what I'm trying to talk about. So what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? Like, I know you enjoy this video. You enjoy it. See, my video, you don't have to be joking with my videos. I tell you. See, look, whenever I want to do video, react to comedy, I don't just go to random comedians and start, getting content from them. No, I can get 50 videos, and at the end of the day, I will scrutinize it and upload and compile only 30 or only 25, because I just want you guys to start with laughter and end with laughter. You know what I mean? So that is what I actually want, so that you just be watching it and getting back to back banger from left, right, center, down, side by side. So that is it, guys. So what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation video? There are a lot of favorite moments, honestly. There are a lot of favorite moments. Hey, there are a lot of favorite moments. Like, how would you handle this situation if you are in the shoe of Mr. Life? How are you going to handle that situation? You're the one who plays course in that house, and at the end of the day, someone actually bought that house, gave you the key. How are you going to do that? But it's actually not a big deal, because you're actually the one who actually laid the cost there. So there is a way for you. There must be a way for you to actually, neutralize that cost, by, carry out so many sacrifices. Go and meet a native doctor and neutralize it. Come on. Stop being, I beg, it can be neutralized. Honestly, it can be neutralized. So what do you think about it? And I think Kata actually released comedy, and I had to put it on this compilation, and it was actually, very hilarious. I watch it, and I think the video is actually okay, and I had to put it in the compilation video for you guys to actually watch it. Kata has been long, he released comedy. I think this one he just released actually hilarious, and it's pattern, that is his pattern, I think, and he's doing it well. He's actually cleaning it. So that is for that. If you love Kata, let me see your comment. If you love this guy here, what is it called? What is his name? Like this brother Solo now. Wait, I have been noticing brother Solo's comedy. It will just like throughout this week, it will just come up with one particular actress. Like it will just be acting with them throughout this week, similar content, and the next week it will just switch to another content. And I think that will actually, grip his audience, like fans, engage with them, and for his audience to leave his page or leave his content will be very difficult, because as soon as they begin to get tired of his content, it will switch to a new brand style, and from there, audience will find it as if it's a new comedy from Brother Solo. And I think that his idea is actually nice. And I love that. As a good content creator, that is what every content creator ought to, practice to satisfy their audience or their subscribers' viewing experience. Yes, honestly. So, what is your take on this? What is your take? We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. I urge you to subscribe if you've not, and also like this video. The most important thing there is for you to turn on post notification bell icon, because when you turn on that post notification bell icon, it enables you, to see alert immediately we published a new video. But guys, without further ado, have a wonderful time. Peace out.